Hello everyone. Today we are going to start another question of Olympiad. 222 power is 333 and 333 raised to the power 222. So we will calculate here which is bigger, which one is bigger. So calculator is not allowed in this question. So how to solve this question? So you can see 222 is always smaller than 3333, but the powers are different. So how do we calculate this question? Which one is greater? Maybe it is greater or maybe it is greater. So how to solve? First of all, you can see this. Can we write this 222 is 111 into 2 power 333. And can we write this 333 is 111 into 3 power 222. Now after that this we are using the law of exponents. This power 333 we will write separately in power. Same thing we are doing here. 111 power 222 and into 3222. Now you can see this 1 power is 333 and 2 power is 333. So in next steps we will write this number as it is, but 2 power is 333. We will write 2 power 3 whole power 111. So if you multiply 3 power to power, 3 into 111, so you will get again 333. So we will write in form like this, and this one is as it is. Same thing we are doing here also. 3 power 2 whole power is 111. If you multiply 2 into, this only 3 times 1. Okay, if you multiply 2 into 111, you will get again this one. So now you can see this 2 cube is 8. It will become 8, and this one is as it is. And here 111 power 222 into 3 square is 9, power is 111. Now you can see this 111 power is 333. So can we write this 111 power 333? We will expand this 333 in two forms, 222 plus 111. So 222 plus 111, if you add these two numbers, you will get again 333. And this one is as it is. Similarly, here we will not disturb this term. We will write again this term as it is. Now you can see this 111 power is 222 plus 111. So this is the law of exponents. If any law, a power is m plus n. So we will write a power m into a power n. By the law of exponents, if the base are same, the power should be added. So we will get a power m plus n. Similarly, we will separate it. The 111 222 into 111 power 111 into 8 power 111. Or we will not disturb again this term. We will write same as it is. Okay, now see, you can see this term and this term both are same. So we will not compare it, they are same. So we will compare only this one term and this one term. So first of all, you can see 111 power is 111 and 8 power is 111. We are using again law. The base are different but power are same. So we will take this power whole power 111 into 8 whole power 111. Or here 111 power 2 into 9 power 111. So this one is as it is, 111 power 222. So this they both are same, so we will not compare. We will compare only this and this. So it is 111 into 8 is 8 into 111 is 888, power is 11, 111. Or here 9111. You will compare, they are same, so we will not compare it, we will compare only this and this. So you can see easily which one is greater. Here you can see 888 power 111 and here 9 power 111. So obviously if the power are same, so we will compare the base. So 888 is greater than 909, greater than 9. So this one is greater. So hope you have understood this question. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for upcoming videos, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And in this channel you will get the courses of the different classes 8th, 9th, 10th, and Maths Olympiad videos are also available. Thank you and thanks for watching.